Here we have the very last, no, is it the last piece? Yes, the very last piece in the festival collection book, but it's very easy. It's from the 20th century genre. And so what's easy about it is if you notice the left hand is a fifth, the low D and the A, and that's the only thing it plays, except for the very last note, it's going to go to the treble clef. Bass clef, and then treble clef, still D and A, but 2 octaves higher, clear up to here from down here. It's got to go clear up to here. Okay, so then we're going to be here for the whole time in the left hand except for the last note. And this is our right hand. Now this is a very singing kind of a piece. Cantabile means singing. So andante means kind of slow and going. And so slowly with a singing tone. So you can think of, and it's kind of Russian. See the name of the Tatiana Salutritskaya. She sounds Russian. So think of a Russian, or he, I don't know, it sounds like a Russian opera singer kind of thing, even though it's kind of high. Okay, so this is the shepherd plays. Here I would use the pedal. And then just real quiet, you can take your time for the last note. 3 P's, that means really quiet. And that's the shepherd's place.